Journaling has always been a part of my daily routine. Had numerous journals and tried many techniques. Recently, I started preferring journals with narrow ruled lines. I used to write the date in the top right corner, followed by reminder for my goals, my to-do list for the day, important events, how I felt, and the reason behind my emotions. First, I use journaling mainly for productivity, tracking habits, setting goals, and making sure I stayed on top of everything. But over time, I realized that journaling is more than just organizing my life. One of the things I love about journaling is the creativity it allows. I don't just write, I decorate my pages, experiment with different pens, and even add little doodles or affirmations. Sometimes I write in different colors to match my mood or highlight important thoughts. It makes my journal feel more personal and fun to look back on. And honestly, flipping through old entries and seeing my own words of encouragement is such a comforting feeling. Looking back at my old journals, I can see how much I've grown. My struggles, my wins, my moments of self doubt, and my moments of confidence. It's a reminder that nothing stays the same forever, and even the hardest days eventually pass. Journaling has become my safe place where I can be completely myself without judgments. Whether you are new to journaling or have been doing it for years, I highly recommend making it a daily habit. It's a simple but powerful way to clear your mind, reflect, and grow. Journaling is a personal and limitless practice. There are no rules, no right or wrong way to do it. You can write freely, express your thoughts in any form that feels natural, and embrace your unique style. Whether you prefer structured prompts, free flowing thoughts, poetry, doodles, or even a mix of everything, your journal is your safe place. Let go of perfection and allow your words to flow without judgments. Some days you might write pages, other days just a sentence or even a single word may feel right. The key is to make it yours, authentic, effortless, and true to you. Journaling is a journey of self expression. There are no right or wrong way to do it. Whether you write, sketch, or simply jot down thoughts, make it truly yours. Thanks for watching.